Hey guys, it's Matt with Up Music. Hey, so I'm trying this affiliate program stuff, right? So I got so many parents that are always asking me, what instrument should I get my student when they're starting out? They're typically middle school ages. So guitar class, orchestra, strings, woodwinds, brass winds. I teach each one of those classes. So I'm trying to put together a list of like the best stuff you can get for the money. The budgets aren't usually high when kids are starting out, so we're looking at for guitars, $200 and less for like a bundle pack, like the Donner pack from Amazon. So I signed up for the Amazon affiliate link things, and I'm still talking with All in One Guitar, Harley Benton, and Sweetwater. Hopefully, I can do that affiliate program. I know I got to build my base and get people actually looking at my stuff, but I started this blog and I just wanted to get some input. Orchestra wise, I got violins, violas, cellos. They're all basically the Cecilio stuff. And then, of course, upright bass, can't really get one of those. The strings I put on there, Red Label violin and the D'Addario Preludes. Woodwinds, clarinets, the Mendini. I'm not a fan of the Mendini and Cecilios, but for the money, they do the job. Reeds, Van Dorens, flute, I put the Mendini flute up there. Saxophone, I know the saxophone's pretty good because that's my main instrument, but the Glory, I have one of those, and the cases are garbage and they get ruined because they're made out of really thin brass. But I've been reviewing on Better Sax. That guy's got a video on the John Paul saxophone, the alto. That thing seems great. So I haven't got my hands on one, but already based on his reviews, I know that those are worth it. And they went up from 500 to 600, but still, man, $600 for a saxophone that is going to hold together, and the case looks quality. Tenor saxophone, I've had the worst. Anyway, if you get a chance, we check this thing out. Even clicks on it like help me out with getting click numbers up. But if you guys are going to buy anything off Amazon, these are a whole bunch of Amazon links. It helps me out. I guess with affiliate, if you click on a link and it takes you over to Amazon and you don't even buy that thing that's on the link, the 24 hours goes by if you don't click on a different link and you buy something that was maybe in your cart or whatever, anything it is, I'll still get commission based on sending the traffic over to Amazon. So affiliate linking is something new to me. I know it's a big thing out there, but I'm just trying to get some help knowing best woodwinds and brass winds for beginners, middle school ages, best guitars. And I'll just get down to the guitar thing here real quick. I got the Baby Taylor on there. I got the Yamaha FG800. I got like 25 of those. Those have been great, but the bridges are starting to bow now. It's been 4 years. Acoustic guitar strings, elixirs. They just last so long, I just go with them. I got a capo and some, picks on there, just the turtles, and those are all preference on people. But electric guitars, this is where my big struggle is, because I got the Ibanez here in class, and that's been great. The Donner packs and those little Fender like knockoffs, those have always been pretty bad, and all the electronics go bad in them. The Ibanez has been pretty good. I've only had those for a year and a half now, though. I wish I could get some all-in-ones or some Harley Bentons up here, but even some of the Harley Bentons I've gotten have not been so good. Give me your opinion on that. Donner, the Donner pack, is that still good? Because it's got such good reviews. I got that little Fender Frontman amp. I don't like that. The electronics go bad on it really quick, but it seems to be the go-to. But I do like the Fender Mustang amp. I got 6 of those now, and they got multiple effects in there. I got tuners in there. Those have been working out really good. And then for the bass amp, I got the Fender Rumble, and I've really liked that. It's got that little vintage button on there. I don't know what it does much, but it is cool sound to it. So, and it's super lightweight. They can carry it around. If you guys got any opinions as to what to add, please let me know as I try to get this thing going. Thanks, bye. Boom.